Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing, is this the end of the royal family? Let's get into it.
I'ma just be honest. We had a little discussion the other day, like a real serious discussion. It's just been a lot of stuff that turned me off from YouTube.
What's up, Gangosaurus? Yo, so we just got home from working out. We was at the gym, you know what I'm saying? Health is wealth. But now we're home and we're making homemade guacamole that I seen on TikTok. Shout out to the talk, baby. And the one recording is Queen.
It's me. Y'all can see me in the stove right here with my waist trainer on. Hi, how you doing? He's cutting chunky tomatoes right now. I was going to help him cut, but I guess he want to do it himself.
How do you chop it up?
Okay, I guess that works.
Your eyes is burning.
That's because the onion is right there.
Put it on this side.
You want my ice burn?
I just ain't even supposed to be funny, but what is you doing, sir? He looking like, oh, my eyes feel weird. Like, this your first time cutting onions?
Can I have a little avocado on the side without guacamole? Because I just like, I want to put some on my toast.
What? I'll take some.
I'll take a little on the side. Get some
I thought you was eating it with me.
I am, but I just want a little for my toast.
The guac is done. About to try it.
This is how it looks, y'all. And it looks very good. Cheers.
It's good.
High five. Very good.
Tostitos. It's spicy. I like it. You got that saltiness to it.
Hey, y'all, I'm getting a little jealous because Clarence's stuff always look really good. And he can have more calories than me, and I was gonna do avocado toast, and he's doing guacamole on a hash brown with an egg, and I just feel like I need the same thing. I feel like I need to be doing the same. Oh my God, look at, watch it.
Can you give me a butter?
No, I'm not doing anything. So I'll get me the bite. Just kidding. We don't have no more butter knives. I gotta wash the dishes. I'm about to wash them. Oh wait, no, we have one. Dishwasher. Sorry. There you go. Oh, man, I need to taste one. And where you get this from? Tell them where you got it from. Tell them. Everything that we eat from now on is probably going to be TikTok based. That looks very good. Can I have one? I'm just kidding. I'm really not. But I do like want one, but not of yours that you just made. He did put too much oil on the eggs. I don't think oil even belongs on eggs. But wow, that look good. You got the everything bagel season?
Either gonna put oil or you gonna put butter. So I don't know which one you want them to do, but I mean, it look interesting. I've never seen it before. Would y'all eat this? Comment below.
That looks amazing. Balls. Alright, now let me see you try it.
What's up with you?
I just want to see how good it is. I know it's good.
So if you know it's good.
You putting cheese on it?
Yeah, a little bit. Just a little. Set it off. Set it off a little bit. A little mozz. A little bit of mozz.
Now you're going overboard though. Girl, I ain't gonna lie.
No, that's how he did it. That's how they did it. That's how I think.
Ooh, we gonna put that in the microwave? Can I have half of one? Look, Clarence don't want to share. You don't want to share? He decided to give me.
Oh, that's nice. Because I thought she was just going to steal one next time he walked off. I mean, she your baby mama, so you need to give her at least one.
One of his, and I'm very happy about it.
What?
He love you. He's such a gentleman. That's so nice.
Try.
I want to try with you. Because it's your first time too, right?
Yeah. All right, y'all. Here goes nothing.
No.
Why is mine like...
How ugly. Yeah, I'm making another one. If you want to know how to make that, comment right now in the comment section, bro. I'm like a chef. Boy, if you don't get... How's that?
It's good. It's amazing.
We saw you made it. But anyway.
What? Check up. Babe. Let me see. What you got to like? Babe.
Good game.
Oh my God. Oh, one more time. It was because I didn't shoot right.
That's all right, sis. We already know. He the one play basketball. It's okay, Queen. At least you out there. Having fun, bonding with your men.
Why I keep going that way? What am I doing wrong?
Shoot. Hand? Yeah. Rules, they don't basketball for a reason. So your hand go there.
See, I'm glad he telling her how to do it. That's so sweet. I like that.
Grip. And your other hand go on the side. You push up.
Okay, let me try it. Hand on the top, other hand on the side.
Right hand is here. You gotta bend your knees. Jump. There you go.
It worked!
I'm a shooting coach.
You my coach.
Good job, Queen.
I'm telling you.
Come here. Come here, you my coach.
I don't think you're supposed to hug.
Can I jump on you? You pick me up? Yeah, go ahead. See if I'm more heavy.
Wait, you gonna jump on me?
145 pounds. Why would you do that?
Because I thought we was
No,
celebrating.
I jump on you.
You can't jump on your coach.
Fast forward to late at night. I don't know why I'm showing y'all my Jeep, but if you guys never seen it, I actually got my Jeep wrapped to like an army green. But right now, this is what's going on. That's what's going on, and I have to try to get both of these kids up into the house, into the bed while waking up and staying up. So pray for me, y'all. Clarence isn't home because he went to the gym twice. He went to the gym early this morning before we made our food, and then he went to the gym tonight. So look at that. Just look at these kids are beautiful. Handfuls though, handfuls. Current situation. One by one, y'all. One by one. He's in his bed now. Now I gotta get CJ. CJ. Baby. Come on, baby.
You know what? I'm jealous. You know why I'm jealous? Because when you get older, you can't sleep like that. You don't be knocked out like that. Any little thing wake me up. Boy, when you was a kid, you used to sleep good. I tell you. Y'all got it all like, ooh. I wish I would sleep like that.
We gotta go in your room. Come on, CJ. Let's go in your room. Let's go in your bed. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, CJ. Let's go in the bed. Come on. Don't fall. Come on, I got your phone. What? What monkey?
And then you be waking up like, where am I? What happened? Where's the fire? What's going on? Why am I not still asleep? He's talking about his monkey. Y'all better get his monkey.
I don't have a monkey. Come on, baby.
He was dreaming about a monkey.
In the bed. No. No. You gotta get in your bed. What you doing? Come on, baby. It's okay. Come on. Oh, your seatbelt. Come on. I need you to go to your room. No, CJ, not the couch. Your room. Wanna get under the covers? Here. Get under the covers, baby. shower in the morning. So I just got out the shower not too long ago, and as y'all can see, I'm masking my face. I look scary. Dan just got home. He's eating, I think, and he's about to come up and take a shower. And we're gonna talk to you guys about something really soon. But for now, I'm just gonna put on some lotion. And I know y'all seen this shirt like a bunch of times, but I love this shirt. This is my favorite, like, after the shower shirt. I am using this lotion. Oh, excuse my nails too. I gotta get my nails done. But I'm using this. Clarence had bought this whole little set one day. It has like body wash and like little night spray. It smells really good too. You got it from...
Oh, I love that one. That is so good. It really does smell good. I have that too. I love this spray, y'all. Oh, that smells good.
Bath and Body Works. And crazy because I haven't been to Bath and Body Works in forever, y'all. Like, forever. But one day, I guess he just went and brought me some home. And it actually smelled good, so I use it at night. And right now, I'm just chatting. So, excuse me for chatting. The gym was tough today. So, I'm going to try my best to go this whole time, all these days before the video shoot I have coming up. Got a video shoot coming up, and I just really need to, like, just lose some pounds. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna stop chatting.
Hey, Claire.
Turn the light.
What's up?
Turn the light. Where you been?
Nasty.
Yeah, but where you been?
Just came from the gym.
Like that?
Yeah. This is what I worked in there.
Them are gym clothes. And secondly, Claire would wear something more snazzy if he was going somewhere else, though. But you know, I don't know what time it is. That's her man. That ain't mine. So where you was at, Claire? I'm with Queen. Where you was at?
What's in your pocket? You look pretty good for the gym.
I'm winded. Hot in the shower. You smell good.
Thank you. It's the lotion you bought me. About to take a shower. Yeah, we're gonna tell them about our new little secret. Oh yeah, by the way, you guys, we got rid of our rug. And Clarence bought some, you know those pillows he bought at Target for the downstairs? We ended up putting them in our room, so it looks better in here. So I bought a rug to go with it. And yeah, that's me in the mirror. I'm about to go sit back down. Clarence is finally out the shower in bed with me.
I'm winded.
And under those sheets, his beef is out.
Yo. Your beef is out.
Just...
Why do I need to know this? Excuse me, people. We for a family, but I mean, we not that close. Keep what's under the sheet to yourself. I'm just kidding. We glad y'all is having a good relationship and y'all had a good time for y'all gonna tell us this news that we nervous about. Like, what's going on? I mean, how you gonna title it? Is it in a row with family? And then you gonna give us some news and then talk about other stuff. I don't want to know that in the plan. So let's figure out what's going on.
What? I don't have a beef. Do I? I do have a beef. I got meat. My meat is in the back.
Oh my God.
Why are you looking like that? My meat is in the back. It's big two meats. Big two meats that I want to lose. I want those meats gone. You don't want my meats down there, right? Oh, shit. Anyways, guys, before we went to bed, we want to end this vlog off by talking to you guys about our new thing coming up.
Wait, we didn't figure it out yet.
What do you mean we didn't figure it out?
I thought we was asking them.
Oh. Anyway, y'all. Here, you can say it, y'all.
Yeah. When did I talk?
What?
Alright, yeah. So we want to ask.
Girl, what the fuck? I just wanted to smell your head. Go ahead.
We want to ask you guys. Our queen came up with an idea of changing the name to Queen and Clarence and no longer using the royal family. But
I already know what they're.
Okay, secondly, Claire is really about to folks who talking to us. I hope Brad gets some rest after this.
I'm not sure about it, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not open to it. She said it would motivate her to do videos. I don't know.
Wait, you said you're not open to it?
No, I said I'm not against it.
Oh,
I just
you're not
would like you guys' feedback on it. And
I did a couple of polls.
I got my heart.
Oh, I did a couple of polls, y'all. So I did one poll on our community tab on YouTube. Majority, of course, said keep royal family. I feel like that's the people that's already subscribed to us. When I did it on Instagram on my story, majority said we should do a rebrand. It's just about
It's not really rebranding.
I would say a rebrand for our channel. And just in my opinion, let me just tell y'all a secret. When we first named ourselves the Royal Family, like, I was okay with it because I didn't want to be super basic. But when I first thought about it, all I thought about was the real Royal Family.
No, yeah, we didn't like that.
The people in England.
Yeah, we didn't like that.
Because they actually have a channel on too.
They got a YouTube channel. I don't even know why there was a post on it. But I remember us finding out that they had a YouTube channel with this type. But it's alright. It ended up working out.
I just think that Queen and Clarence or Clarence and Queen is like better.
She was saying that it was easier to find.
So like, obviously we're not just YouTubers, like, right? We're like more than that, I feel like, right? So when I go to my radio stations and stuff and like they're asking me about my YouTube channels and if I still do it, of course I tell them about the family channel. But when I say, yeah, it's called the Royal Family, I don't know. I just don't. I feel like it'd be easier to say, yeah, look us up, Queen and Clarence.
Queen and Clarence, I feel you.
You know what I'm saying? And we did have a conversation. I'm going to just be honest. Can I tell them?
What?
How I told you?
Yeah.
So we had a little, discussion the other day, like a real serious discussion. And I admitted that YouTube, our channel, just YouTube period, was not my top priority. Like, it's not in my top priorities because he thought it was disrespectful because like
crazy.
This is where we started. And yes, we did, very much so, but it's just been a lot of stuff that turned me off from YouTube, and I just felt like doing a rebrand would make me feel better about doing it.
Motivated to do it.
Like motivated, like rebranding. I'm talking about intro. And then also I want to say this, y'all still will get to see the kids, but I just want to protect them a little bit more. Like, I just don't want y'all to come here and automatically think y'all gonna see the kids all the time. Like, I think that, like, I don't know.
I think
they should get a chance to.
No, they're definitely gonna be on there, but you know what I'm saying? It's just not gonna.
I want to do couple stuff. I want to link with other couples. I don't know. Maybe.
Like, we want it to be like it's gonna be a family channel, but we kind of want it to be a couples channel / we have kids. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because like also like I feel like.
Funner.
Also, as a family channel, I feel like it's a little bit limited because, like, for example, when we did that one, it was like this spicy something. I forgot. We did this video not too long ago in the basement, and I felt like a little out of place because it's a family channel.
Yeah, it's like one video would be like taking Legend to school, and then the next video is slapping Queen's butt.
And it's just
slapping
like,
Queen's butt.
I don't want to be in the box.
With a dildo. You know what I'm saying? Like, we want it to be fun. But you guys, it's not like you won't see them, but you know what I'm saying? You guys, they'll be there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
but
so I'm just thinking, let
us know in the comments.
I told him we could have did Clarence and Queen. It really don't matter which name come first. But like,
I feel like the woman should go first.
Queen and Clarence, that's cool.
Yeah.
I think I really just like that, and we could get a new banner. We could do a couple photo shoots. Even like, we can do photo shoots with the kids too, because we need new family pictures anyway. But that's my take on it. That's what I want to do. Tell me what you guys think. We're still, I don't know. Just tell us.
Let us know in the conversation. It might not even happen. Might never.
Is this the end?
Is this the end
family?
of the Royal Family? Is it? Let us know. With everything we just mentioned, and everything she mentioned, and her feelings on it.
What do you think?
Think y'all comment below. You think they should keep the couples channel, or like start a couples channel, or keep the Royal Family? I mean, I don't know. I mean, if they clear about like they not gonna have the kids on as much, I mean, from a YouTube perspective, I would say, you got all the followers on this channel, so why would you shut it down? And they can get the followers back, so that I guess that's not an issue. Also, I'm wondering if somebody else has already taken Queen and Clarence, all them other people that be following their channel. So hopefully it's still available. But, whatever make them happy. If it's going to make her post more, we with it, And so I know Claire's going to keep her up to like, okay, we got to film. So I'm all for it. Whatever y'all decide. It's y'all name, it's y'all channel. We still gonna watch it, right? We gonna be here. Petty fam got y'all, okay? So back to where we started.
You guys thinking, is this the end of the royal family and the beginning of something else?
In the beginning of Queen and Clarence.
Let us in the conversation.
And y'all will still be our royal family, I think.
Yeah, I think we would call you guys royal family.
Lately you've been saying what's up, Gangosaurus, what's up,
That's because
Gangland.
I've been with Kais and that. That's why.
He been around his friends. But wait, before we go to sleep, one thing I do want to mention is like, my name is Queen. And he's a king, and he always called all the guys like, "What's up, king? What's up, king?"
So
it's still like a royal thing. So that's why I feel like we could still call them like.
You guys are a family.
Yeah, royal family.
You guys are royal
like,
family,
cause
and
kings
we'll
and
be
queens.
Queen and Clarence.
Oh, isn't that sweet? We still royal family. And of course, y'all a petty fam as well. All right. We love y'all dearly. Thank y'all for watching. Watch the ads. Shout out to MH forever, my girl. What's up, girl?
Yeah, king and queen. Wait, king. Wait.
No, just Queen.
Queen and King Clarence. King Clarence.
Can I just keep my name? You get to keep your name.
He said he don't want to be King Clarence. He already a king. He said I got the lion and everything. I could just be Clarence. Thank you very much. He said it's only one Clarence NYC. Why don't you do Queen and Clarence NYC? You know? Maybe. I don't know. What y'all think?
Like King Clarence?
No. Who the fuck is that? King Clarence? Babe, just shut up. I'm going to King Clarence.
King Clarence.
Yeah.
He said you ain't getting no cheeks. And I can tell too. You see that body language? He tight. He didn't turn his back on you, sis. Claire. Ooh. He said you ain't gonna make me the beat of your A. Oh, he mad. Why you mad, Claire?
No cheeks tonight, all that.
He said I'm not getting no cheeks. Give me them cheeks. Give me them cheeks.
Chill.
Yeah, he about to give me them cheeks.
Nah, you gotta go to sleep.
All right.
Wait.
Good night, y'all. Peace out. This is our future son. He said, "Turn off the lights. I'm looking for. Turn off the lights."
Girl, you don't get me copywritten. Copyrighted, sorry.
That's how future sounded. Say it, babe. Say it. Say, turn off the lights. Wait.
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights. I'm looking for.
First of all, you got him coughing. Leave him alone, girl. You embarrassing Claire. Secondly, I might point out that back when this whole thing first started, you remember the mood lights. Apparently, Claire likes the mood lights. Today is blue. Today's color is blue.
I'm looking for. All right, y'all, we going to sleep. Oh, but look at the blue lights. It's time to get that booty.
Ooh, come on.
All right, like, comment, subscribe, share if you can.